Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Swelele 0. I'm joined by Dollar.
Bafethu yazini makhosi ngicela sisithi umuntu phansi angithi yazini ngiyazi bafethu ukuthi siyakhala off ngani ngiya understand but into engizontshela yona bafethu oqala singakhali ngama player wethu ama player wethu ayazama ukuthi kenzani ngiya understand lento leyo and okunye kufethu bafethu thina senza mistake bafethu why siboleke isanda ePirates neSundowns stadium sethu la FNB kubazula ngayi sisamajita la zokuphula amaqanda wabo la awu2 ngayi thina baphula amaqanda awu2 it's 2 goals mascora 1 bakoti bascorela 1 siya draw amaqanda Pirates bafethu ngiyacela bafethu ngingakhala nimakhosi solo bafethu asidlaleni sidlala ibhola eGrand amajita ayazama oqala and okwesi2 ngicela into e1 singathi thina makudlala umduku kudlala ubanibani sibayenza kahle uGotara simfuni kuthi uGotara namuhle uGotara uyenza kahle ubanibani simfuni bafethu sidlala idisc ama coach wethu ayenze Grand bafakile ama player adlalile ba substitute then bayenza ama substitution kungena ubani angifuna ukukhuluma amagama then manje nina nakhala why ubani ayenza ama substitution now 5 ngamani manje ama substitution late niyakhala futhi okay right bafethu ngicela amakhosi asinimona phansi umoya wephansi cela siye phansi sizowina isikhathi masifikile masihlulekile hayi ukuthi siphuphu asibona bona mtutu Grand Thibo athanda mfana
thank you very much bye Grand askisi